Silver, Game of Thrones, another video. So it was a little bit break, from what I bought, but I start to basically to compensate it very fast last days. So here's some new collection which I have, and I will just share with you what new, what old. So the first one is Silver Dragon. Silver Dragon, you see, this is 2019 Australia Silver Dragon. It is in production like half year already, but it was a little bit expensive to me. I was looking like $38, and I say no. But then I say okay, I start to do collections, so I have 2017 and I have 2018, and I say this is tiger and dragon, right? This is a bird with dragon, right? And this is the last one. The last one I have 2019. Yeah, what they say? It's a Chinese culture. Chinese culture. It's a dragon and tiger. It's again dragon and tiger. Yeah, all the design are very similar one another. And mintage is not small like 50,000. So I was having hard time, to buy it, but okay. And you see they change little bit design 2019 from backside, from these tigers, they do this from time to time. And the front, these tigers are very similar, but I do believe they have value. Even a mintage is 50,000, so I say okay, I'll get one. Next one is Trident. So this Trident, it's really cool design, and I have I bought 2019, and it's like really cheap, like $21, $22, like $3-4 over spot. And the mintage is like average like 30,000, but look on this design. Every year they try to change it, you see. So you see all these lines, they go from center. It's 2019. From 2018 they change it and make like a spot, you see. They make like a rough, like this surface. Okay, and this one is 2017, and they come back, you see. 2017 when they started, you see it, all these lines was, curved, through all this, coin. But yeah, they change a little bit. Trident. Yeah, it's it's very cool. I see the people are people like them, and especially if you have collection like this. Wow, it's like this is why I call collection. And by the way, this my basically channel helped me basically to rebuild all my collections in different ways. So lock the window. They need to rebuild all my collection different ways, because before I was collecting coins by year, and now I just look on collection. I just stop caring about year, but I see if, like, say, this collection, it will have double value. Then you sell just one coin, because you can always sell like other collection. There's 3 other collection. Okay, next one is a seahorse. The seahorse. See, you see, I grabbed this one, which is 2019. Yeah, it's Samoa. Really sparking size, size of this coin. The back side of this coin. It really, you see these stars, and how they built it, all these futures, points, around border, and crowd inside. Wow, just and this I have 2 of them. You see, so again I start to build collection. This 2018, this 2019, and yeah, really, how much was $24? Yeah, I paid like $24. And mintage, let me check the data. Mintage 20,000 coins. Yeah, it's a seahorse with tail car riding above the spiraling Polynesian tribal wave pattern. Yeah, group of bubbles around him. You see both. It's a different kind of bubbles, varying size, surrounded by sable seagrass. You see. Yeah, it's very cool design. I really like it, This is kind of coin which people will collect, the seahorses. And by the way, I have another seahorses. You see this too? Yeah, I just show you. They are Barbados or Barbados. Barbados, yes. You see? It's not cool like this design, but still it's also nice coin. They have another features, you know, kind of right side and left side. Seahorse also with plants, you know. It kind of flat design. You see, kind of flat design. I like that. I like this some more, much more. And for this price, you know, $23, $24, make build now another collection, you know. I don't know. I try to believe that collection will have the huge value down the road. Next one is wedge tail eagle. So I grabbed this two from eBay. Basically, I bought one, and then, you know, because I bid on both, and I bought two. It's 2016. So I already have 2017. 2016, right, this is 2016. Okay, so I already have 2017, and 16, 17 is the same design, you see? It's kind of weird, right? So they basically didn't change design for these 2 years, but then every year they start to do better and better, you know? This is already 2018, yeah, and this is much cooler design, you see, two eagles. And this is 2019. It's even better design, you see, with these lines, you know, from the center of the eagle. I need to clean a little bit the plastic. Yeah, backside is the same. And then I grabbed this one, which is 2015 even. You see, this is NGE and NGS. This is NGS, right? So, to be honest, you know, it's only one I have. I don't believe that this plastic, many people believe this NGS, you know, double, triple value. I just don't play this game, you know. For me, it's so stupid. So basically what I did, I bid on this like $23, and I just, you know, bid and forget. And then it was no one, and, you know, and my bid, you know, was the highest bid. And I grabbed this coin, which usually costs for like $40-50. It's really nice. Even it's a MS69, which is not the highest. Like they have MS70, you know, which much more expensive. It's still MS69. But all these features, you know, they say they cost something, right? And then I bought it for $23. It's okay. It will be, you know, one more coin to my collection. 2015 will go from here. So I have 2015, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I'm waiting for 20, right? So it's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins, you know. Tail eagle silver coin. Well, how nice. And the last one I grab, it is, you know, I think this is the most coin which you can buy. It's silver elephant, Somalia, and wildlife elephant. Yeah, it's very, you know, the design, I see they did it also for Big 5. You know, if you see on Big 5 has very similar design, and they they don't even mention how well quantity of this. It's like 100 shilling, right? And it's Somali Republic, and they have its millions. Of course, it's less than American Eagle, but yeah, I have all this, you know, from even which year I don't remember, 2014, you see, I have it from 2014, you know, 15, you see this elephant, 16, 17, 18, you know, maybe some year, maybe they make 2 of them, I'm not sure. So I have a bunch of these elephants, and I try to build collection, and, you know, it just, you know, just feel well into my collection, so, you know. So this is the way to go. So I build my collection, and like if I want to sell one day, in no way I will be going to sell one coin. You know, it has much more value when you sell it as a package, as a collection. Okay, guys, please comment, subscribe. You put your comments, you know, what you like, what you don't like. You know, if you suggest you have something, you know, to help me with my collection, you know, you're welcome. Thank you very much. Silver Game of Thrones. Bye bye.